So when you are told that there's a problem, what is the first question that comes to mind or that you ask out loud? Do you ask what the problem is? Do you ask what happened? Or do you focus on who did it? You see, the first question, you're interested in understanding the problem, the size of the problem, the nature of the problem, the details of the problem, so you can come up with solutions and find a way to fix the problem. And people with a very stable self-esteem tend to ask this question the most. The second question, you want to understand what is the motivation behind asking who did it. We know that it's to assign blame, to make another person feel bad, but why do they need another person to feel bad? Now that motivation may be conscious or unconscious, so the person may be aware that they're doing it or they might not be aware. You see, if you're harboring a lot of negative emotions, a lot of anger, a lot of resentment, a lot of negativity, fear maybe, anxiety, then your mind is looking for ways constantly to make you feel comfortable. And when your mind hears that there's a problem, it sees an opportunity to help you feel comfortable. It sees an opportunity for you to release some of that anger, for you to release some of that resentment. And so the question of who did it, it's a question of who do I get angry at? Because I've got a lot of anger in me. Who do I direct this anger to? So people who ask the question who did it tend to have a very unstable self-esteem and a very bad association with shame. So you want to look at the way you ask your questions when there's a problem and see how stable your self-esteem is.